Hi, do you want to learn how to make a black bars open and close cinematic effect in Filmora X just like the one you're watching right now? Then stay with me, I'll show you how.
Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, let's get started. Let's drag then our video to the track on the timeline and drag then the second one. You can use one video if you want, but in this tutorial we're going to use two videos. So this is what we have. Next we're going to add an effect. So go to effects, click on effects and search for Cinema 21:9 and drag and drop it on our videos, and this is the effect we're looking for. So let's go back to our media and go to sample color, drag and drop the black sample color on the second timeline, drag another one and drop it on the third track on the timeline. Now double click on it and go to screen and minimize it, dragging it from the bottom to the middle. Double click on the second one and drag from the top to the middle. Now let's go to animation and customize. Let's add keyframe to both the images on second and third track. Move the playhead forward and double click on it and now drag the image from the middle to the top, aligning it with the cinematic bars. Click on the second one and drag from the middle to the bottom and also align it with the cinematic bar, and this is what we have so far. This is the open cinematic effects. Now highlight the two images and drag to the same length with the video. We can cut out the part we don't need, so highlight it and click on cut and delete the part we don't need. So now let's apply the second effect, the close cinematic effect. So move the playhead toward the end, then double click on it and add a keyframe to it. Add a keyframe to the second one too. So move the playhead to the end of the images and video. Click on the first image and go back to screen. Drag from the top to the middle. Click on the second one and drag from the bottom to the middle. Now let's see what we have. This is the second animation, the close cinematic effect. So we're done. Let's see what we've done. This is the open cinematic effects. And this is the close cinematic effects. Isn't it awesome? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. For more tricks and tips like this, click the notification bell and subscribe for more. If you enjoyed this video and find it valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.